record, so she is not a fraudster.
Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter Tv. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, I do well to join this beautiful family. I did not this my channel with Nigeria broken, but when I do Kenyan, they try to want but this my station, this my channel, and I about Nigeria Pidgin English. Yes. Today I bring our governor, our Ekiti governor, who cancel the Guinness, Guinness World Record, who cancel it for Ekiti. My people, for me, I appreciate this governor. Ask me why I appreciate. Not because I be enemy of progress. Since when Hidabasi break this book of record, that is Guinness Book of Record, not that they call them, everybody, I don't understand what they do with the Nigeria. I don't really understand. Why? Anything when reach our hand, without we never mess them up. That thing, we no live. Without, in fact, they never started the pursue us. They no cancel our name, come out. Like, now only us did the word. Yeah? Indian, when our sister leader Hidabasi for collector, other human being not there when they are people. One person collector, then I did not move to Nigeria. Why this thing? One can start today, say you go fit do massage. Hey, Nigeria. One say she go fit do massage, he go massage for 3 days. No be massage, na massage come massage am. As he dey do massage, now he carry the girl, the lady leg, he raise am go up. The lady dey wait make she carry am come down. Before you see, the lady dey see say person dey ground. Wetin dey shele? Wetin dey shele? Na massage come dey massage am for ground. This one get as e be o. See, I know say everybody on their own, but Hidabasi when he break the Guinness best cook. Now Nigeria, she just knew win the thing. And another person still come outside go still cook. I no understand. American visa come outside, lottery. But they cancel us come out. Why anything when reach with the Nigeria hand? Why we must make sure say we scatter and we spoil them before we go rest? Why? Why we want just chop everything? Then our generation unborn when they come, may they not just meet. And why we this generation just be like this? Why? I want to try do this video. Now say night don't reach. I say me I ask my people, my Niger, my area people, why? Therefore, Ekiti, one person just come outside. They don't organize and say on the 7th of July, they go start with the kicks. Hey, kaka. He want carry the best kicks award. Huh. My people. Now a governor come outside. They say lie to lie, wala to lie. It will never happen for this state. If in year, he cancel am immediately. Wetin una take for me? I not say anything against. I not say nothing. He do well. Because you are not the only person, only human being for this world. How you just carry person? How you want to take the kiss? Now knows you the kiss, abi person you just hold this mouth for 3 days, 3 good days. You know live am. Area. Who bless you for this world? Come on, you when you want kiss. I don't know your Instagram IG. I forgot chat you up for there. I'll say that 3 days kiss when you want kiss. How? Now person mouth you want the kiss. Or you when you want the kiss the mouth. In your mouth, I don't understand. Wetin come read the job because I want to belong. I will make it. No worry, we make it. But 3 days, hey, that mouth will call the smell. You all go dey wait. This one go dey do wait. This one go dey do wait. Abi go dey change then. I don't know if you come across my video. Let me know in the comment section if you go dey change them. For the best kiss, a kisser, a kissy, a biskisser. My people. I say me I carry am. Me I come tell una say, not be only my eye, not be only my ear go hear am. He pursue them. That the Ekiti governor, God go bless you. God go bless you because not be only we the Nigeria did this world. God go bless you. Hidabasi just break the book, the Guinness Book of it. Everybody want break. Everybody want carry their talent. Why can't you carry your talent for dance? Why can't you carry you when you do the last one when you say you want to go the kiss? Why you not carry your talent to dance or the best read? Yes, you can come up with the best read. If you did there, you crack your brain. Come outside with the best read. No mistake for 3 days. Right, and start read so that you'll get the best reader in the world. Now say something, now say good something. Nobody say you want to go to kiss person mouth. So you go to use teeth to bite the person mouth. You can be the best reader in the whole world without no stopping. They go dey pack the book. If you dey there, you dey crack. Wetin you go fit do? If you be good reader, go for 3 days. You no stop. You no drink water. This one you no drink water. You no go swallow spit. You go just dey read and dey go, dey read and dey go, dey read and dey go, dey read and dey go. Wetin be this? When I let person hear word, please. No be only we the Nigeria dey the word. This one na shame. If na not dey shame, people around una dey shame. Una fellow Nigeria, some of us we dey shame. Wetin be this? He die pass, make una let her enjoy the thing first. No be only Nigeria dey. Make una let her move to another country. Ghana, I'm sorry. When I do that, get one of my news when I say when our sister sweet ajele address. My people, make una wake up. Make una still go do Kenya, yes. Guinea, Cameroon, make una get up. My Nigeria people, it does still do. No be only us dey. Haba. Say the best. You see, you when they watch me so, just start to dey pee your nose. The best picking nose. Best nose picker in the world. You can start picking your nose. Then you will be the best, the most, in fact, the best nose picker in the whole world. Yes. I dey tell you truth. Or if you be hairdressing, they make people hair for 3 days. No stop it. How you will say you want to go dey kiss my mouth? Hey, prayer. They should just give you mouth just because of break the book of what? Go back. I tell my people, my Nigerian people, I beg, make we take am easy, okay? No be only us dey Africa, no be only us dey the world. I beg. Anything when reach our hand, make we see they use sense, make we see they use brain, so that it go still reach other people. If other people do one like that, not please say it go reach our hand. Let's respect ourselves. Please, I'm begging. Now beg I did. Okay? Let's move straight to the next topic. My people, I see this news also. A German man when he say our Nigeria lady, one of our Nigeria sister, Idupa. Then the case they caught, they arrest the girl. Let's hear from him before I go further. Let's hear from him first.
My name is Rudolf Kampf, and I make this video to debunk the information which are circulated about my girlfriend, Cynthia Choma Atona, the 21-year-old model. This case was dropped at the court, so she is not a fraudster at the court, and I want to inform the public that the old information should be taken away, and everybody should listen to this video, that she should be a successful model, and I hope she will give me a chance to be a friend again.
My people, I hope una hear. He say, normal, they say the girl, he duped him 220,000 euro. Now the girl take from him. Then maybe he raised alarm. Then the security, they call girl to alert Nigeria Nigeria security, that is police. They arrest the girl. Now the case they caught. The same man when he raised alarm, the same man I don't come outside now say, may they free his girlfriend. He pray may his girlfriend will give him one chance again. May they free girlfriend, may girlfriend, because now model the girl be, may continue her model, and he want a girlfriend, may give her a chance to, may they start up again. My people, I was shutterized when I see this our Oibo peperembe. They cry. Now you first cry, come outside. And this our brother. Now you first cry, come outside, say this girl do pure abi. Because if you not cry, come out, I don't believe the government go. No. And when you see the nyan, you see enter your eyes, scatter your dada. Now you pack your money, you give her. Now the girl, she not they give you face. I believe say just because not they give you face, now you raise alarm. Now the same matter when you take say she dupe you, because I believe now you go say she dupe you. Now make the government, call our country Nigeria, may they arrest her, make the matter they court, maybe make you find how she want to pay you. The same you now, you don't come outside say me they release the girl. Now people, what you not think about this matter? For me, Sha, I not fit talk. I'm from go work. What you not think about this matter? No, not let me know. Because the girl want she dey Nigeria. The girl not dey Germany. If the girl would dey Germany, how much the money dey bank? Waiting motivate you to remove the money for inside your bank. Go give girl. Waiting motivate you this man. Let's look comment when people drop. People drop comment too. This one say this man picture don't reach. Don't reach. Now understand now where they say don't reach. This one say 21 years and she finished school 2019. So I say, he want a chance. He wants a chance to be a friend again. Cynthia, you don't do one. No. This one, her name na Cynthia, her name na Shoma. Now she get the two name. This one say Shoma are very powerful. This one don't hold Oyibo for words. See how he is saying it like he is reading it from a script. This Nigeria commenters, not let them hold you. If they hold you, this one say when you show them love and care, and you are part of their life, they become they become okay. I dey see something I fear. They become dedicated to you too. Dating white men and get assistance from them is the best side hustle. I can tell. Not in any way scammy white because they spend on you. The way you care for them. Wow. Do not worry, she will give you a second chance to chop you finish this time. This one say our Igbo people rain pay. They say make you don't worry. She will give you second chance. This second chance, she's coming to chop you wella. That first one, she not chop and well. This one when they come, so she go chop and well. Well, for me, oh, I not blame anybody because your money dey inside your account. If she even dey the country when you dey, your money dey your account. I believe say maybe you don't see the things scatter your wadada. You fall in love, then you guys exchange something. I don't know. Because if the girl dey your house collect your bank card, I go fit talk. But as far as you go inside bank, go withdraw your money, you give am. For me, I no get anything. Yeah, man, mungu. You know, I not really get wetin I want talk, my people. Leave your own opinion for the comment section. You guys need to be wise, okay? Before giving your money out, be very careful. Know wetin you want and know wetin you don't want. I know say it's not good to collect money from man hand when you don't need am, but the man not say the girl no need am. The girl need am, but maybe the man can't realize say this money is too much, or maybe he wants the girl to move to Germany. Maybe the girl, our country is sweet when you get money. The girl no want move to. No, I believe there is story behind it. I know we just sit down here, start to condemn the girl, start to condemn the man. I believe there is agreement before the man release the money. Now, wetin me believe? I believe there is agreement. Well, it's for you guys. Online lovers, no, now be careful. Online lovers, be very, very careful who you trust, who you give your money to, because there is different things outside. Person when you would jump, see me, see you. You be careful. Talk of like say when social media just make you just chat, just right. Social media make you know that kind of person automatic. You just fall in love automatic. Everything when that person, she or he just talk, you just believe. We use other people to learn. We should be very careful, okay? We should be very careful. Me, I don't blame this girl. I don't know whether the girl still as want her. I don't know whether the girl don't want her and I made the man cry out. But the same man, I don't still come outside say, wow, may they leave with girlfriend, make she facing in modern. He pray, may the girl give him second chance. I don't really understand. There will be a story. That is why I don't want judge. Why the girl go chop the man money? I not feel judge, okay? My people, drop your own opinion what you think about the video. Give me thumbs up if you're the first time of coming across my YouTube channel. Give me thumbs up. Subscribe if you never subscribed. See you in my next video, okay? Drop your opinion. Ciao, ciao.
Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by the